Number 1. 1970 Triumph T100 500cc Daytona, $5,500, Minnetonka, Minnesota. This 1970 Triumph T100 Daytona is a well-preserved British twin that has been carefully maintained to keep its originality and strong running condition. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and delivers responsive power with stable highway performance. Regular weekly use has helped keep the bike mechanically healthy, with maintenance focused on reliability, safety, and period-correct performance. What makes this example stand out is its true survivor status, with original paint and chrome showing only light patina and minor wear. It has never been restored, following the philosophy that originality holds greater long-term value. With documented service records since 2014, it offers both authenticity and usability, while still allowing room for light cosmetic improvement if desired. Number 2. 1989 Harley-Davidson FXRS Lowrider, $4,995, Monona, Wisconsin. This 1989 Harley-Davidson FXRS Lowrider Special Edition is a solid example of the well-regarded FXR platform, showing around 33,250 miles. Known for its balanced frame and improved handling, it offers a more controlled ride compared to many Harley models of its era, while still delivering classic V-twin character. It is street legal and ready to be enjoyed as a practical vintage ride. With its lowrider styling and special edition trim, the bike carries a distinct late 1980s look. The mileage reflects consistent use, and its straightforward condition makes it an accessible entry into classic Harley ownership, especially for riders seeking a dependable and rideable vintage model. Number 3. 1978 BMW R80/7, $4,500, Victoria, Minnesota. This 1978 BMW R80/7 has received a full frame-up restoration completed in 2024, bringing it back to near-new condition. The engine and transmission were rebuilt, now featuring Nikasil cylinders and a later model transmission for smoother shifting. With only about 800 miles since completion, it offers a refreshed and reliable riding experience. Additional updates include new electrical components and a 400-watt charging system, improving overall dependability. Finished in Blau 533 with stock-style components, it maintains its classic look while benefiting from modern upgrades, making it a strong blend of originality and performance. Number 4. 1976 Honda CB550F Super Sport, $4,500, Fall River, Massachusetts. This 1976 Honda CB550F Super Sport started as a barn find and has been brought back through extensive work over the past few years. Discovered in 2021, it received major mechanical attention before further improvements, including repainting of the tank and side covers. The result is a clean and lively vintage Honda. While not a perfect restoration, it runs well and is often described as a fun, quick little rocket. Original paperwork dating back to 1979 adds extra value, and its restoration story reflects the effort invested, making it an appealing and usable classic Japanese bike. Number 5. 1963 BSA Super Rocket A10, $7,800, Portage, Wisconsin. This 1963 BSA Super Rocket A10 marks the final year of the iconic 650cc British twin, adding to its collector appeal. It is a strong-running, ready-to-ride example equipped with the correct A10R engine. Key original components, such as the AML carburetor and Ewart's fuel tap, help preserve its authenticity. The bike includes a clean title along with original documentation, increasing its historical value. As a complete and correct example, it offers both rideability and collectability, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts of classic British motorcycles. Number 6. 1980 Kawasaki KZ440B, $2,200, Robbinsdale, Minnesota. This 1980 Kawasaki KZ440B is a great entry-level vintage motorcycle that has been well refreshed for reliable riding. It runs and rides strong, with recent work including a full carburetor service, new spark plugs, battery, rear shocks, rebuilt front forks, newer tires, and a fresh oil change. These updates make it a solid and approachable option for new riders or anyone looking for a simple, dependable classic. An added bonus is the inclusion of a full set of spare parts from a second bike, along with a climber repair manual for easy maintenance. The speedometer issue is noted and may be resolved before sale, and the bike comes with a clean title and registration paid through 2027. Overall, it offers strong value with both usability and extra parts support. Number 7. Triumph T160 E-Start, $3,000, Oregon. This Triumph T160 project bike presents an opportunity to own a classic British triple at an affordable price. Showing around 11,000 miles, it is a mostly complete machine that will require some mechanical attention, including clutch work and electrical repairs related to reinstalling the electric starter system. It was purchased as is and is now being passed along due to other ongoing projects. Despite its current condition, the T160 remains a desirable model among enthusiasts for its unique triple-cylinder design and classic styling. With a clean title in the seller's name and a reasonable asking price, it offers a solid foundation for restoration or customization for someone willing to complete the work. Number 8. 1971 Yamaha R5 350cc, $4,100, Browntown, Wisconsin. This 1971 Yamaha R5 350 is a partially completed custom project built around a new two-stroke engine setup. It features performance upgrades including a hot crank and Wiseco pistons, along with a modified chassis using larger forks and wheels sourced from a Yamaha XS500. The combination points toward a more aggressive and performance-oriented build. The bike also includes its original parts, along with new tires, tubes, brakes, and a fresh candy pearl paint finish. While the project is currently stalled, it presents a strong base for someone looking to finish a unique vintage two-stroke with both custom and original components included. Number 9. 1973 BMW R75/5, $8,000, Montello, Wisconsin. This 1973 BMW R75/5 is a well-kept example of the classic airhead touring platform, showing just under 66,000 miles, many of which were accumulated during long-distance commuting and touring. Powered by a 750cc engine with dual Bing carburetors and paired to a 4-speed transmission, it delivers smooth and reliable performance, typical of BMW's reputation from this era. The bike has received routine maintenance, including newer tires, updated seat foam and cover, and replacement mufflers, while still retaining many original components, such as the shocks and drum brakes. It also comes with its original manual, toolkit, and additional service materials, adding to its overall completeness and appeal as a usable vintage tourer. Number 10. 1980 Honda CX500 Deluxe, $2,800, Golden Valley, Minnesota. This 1980 Honda CX500 Deluxe stands out as a well-documented and carefully maintained vintage motorcycle, showing just over 41,000 miles. Known for its unique V-twin engine and durability, this example is backed by detailed maintenance records dating back to 2010, with over $2,100 in documented service. It offers peace of mind rarely found in bikes of this age. Finished in a classic burgundy color, the bike combines originality with proven upkeep, making it a dependable and honest option. With a clean title and extensive service history, it presents a transparent ownership experience, ideal for buyers who value documentation and long-term care in a vintage machine. Number 11. 1967 Sears Puch Saber, $2,300, Glendale Heights, Illinois. This 1967 Sears Puch Saber is a compact vintage 50cc two-stroke that offers a fun and lightweight riding experience. While it is currently not running and has no title, the engine still kicks over with strong compression, suggesting a solid foundation for revival. With its 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers more engagement than typical small displacement bikes of its era. Despite its small size, the Saber is known for being surprisingly quick and fuel efficient, making it an appealing project for collectors of vintage mini bikes. With some mechanical work to bring it back to life, it could become a unique and enjoyable classic, especially for those interested in smaller European-inspired machines. Number 12. 1974 Honda CB360 Cafe Racer, $2,800, Louisville, Kentucky. This 1974 Honda CB360 has been transformed into a custom cafe racer through a full ground-up rebuild. The build includes a mix of new and original parts, aiming to balance refreshed performance with classic styling. The result is a clean and purposeful machine that reflects the timeless cafe racer aesthetic. The seller notes that a complete list of parts and work is available, offering transparency into the build process. With its lightweight twin-cylinder platform and custom touches, this CB360 presents a ready-to-ride custom option for those looking for a vintage Honda with a personalized edge. Number 13. 1968 BSA Thunderbolt, $6,500, Mars, Pennsylvania. This 1968 BSA Thunderbolt is a largely original project bike that has seen partial restoration work while retaining much of its factory character. The engine has good compression and received new seals, while the frame and front fender have been powder-coated. Additional restoration efforts include rebuilt gauges and re-chromed original rims, contributing to its refreshed appearance. The bike remains about 90% original, with some aftermarket components, such as the rear fender and tank, though the original tank is included. It has not been on the road since 1984, but comes with a clean title, manuals, and extra parts. With new tires already installed, it offers a strong base for completing a proper vintage restoration. Number 14. 1973 Yamaha TX650, $3,999, Carrick, Pennsylvania. This 1973 Yamaha TX650 is a classic parallel twin that has received several key maintenance updates to keep it running well. With around 15,370 miles, it benefits from a new battery, new clutch, rebuilt carburetors, and a rebuilt starter, along with a recent oil change. These improvements help ensure dependable performance for regular riding. Known for its strong and simple engine design, the TX650 offers a solid blend of vintage character and usability. With its straightforward mechanical setup and recent service work, it stands as a practical and affordable option for riders seeking a reliable classic Japanese twin. Number 15. 1985 Kawasaki 650, $1,400, Burton, Michigan. This 1985 Kawasaki 650 is an affordable running and riding motorcycle that offers solid value as a budget-friendly classic. Showing around 28,000 miles, it starts up easily after sitting for several years thanks to fresh fuel and a new battery. It also features new spark plugs, helping bring it back into usable condition. While it runs well, it would benefit from carburetor cleaning and a fresh oil change to reach its full potential. With a clean title in the seller's name and a low asking price, it presents a simple and accessible project for riders looking for a functional vintage bike with minimal initial investment.